Hey people, so it's like yesterday there was this Telugu movie called Nishabdam that was on Amazon Prime that I could finally watch, and it stars Anushka Shetty and Madhavan and some of the topmost stars, yeah, including this particular Hollywood actor who was in Reservoir Dogs, and his name is something Madden, Michael Madden or something, and in fact even Shalini Pandey, the flavor of Tollywood. So it's really Nishabdam. The film is, I don't know. It's basically about this deaf and mute. Protagonist. Anushka Shetty is in first time we are seeing her in such a role, and the film, I don't know, they build up a lot of hype, I guess, because finally when you watch it, it's you almost end up feeling a little disappointed. So but all the same, the locations, it's been shot in Seattle in the States, so it's quite beautiful, the locations. So yeah, y'all can, it's worth a watch, definitely, because it has stellar performances like Madhavan and Anushka Shetty and all the rest. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.